Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if DeepSeek can generate HTML code. Yes, it can generate it, and I'm gonna show you. So let's ask it, for example, to generate HTML, let's say input pattern for surnames. And now I'm gonna describe it so I'm more specific, so I get more accurate answer. You could also finish it after the surnames. You could also finish the prompt after the surnames, but I want to specify so it does it exactly as I want it. So I'm gonna say which may have one or two parts. If it has two, then they are separated via a dash. Now I'm gonna also say that it can include any diacritics. Okay, and let's just send it. And you can see it gives me the input. It has given me the type, the pattern itself, and you can see here that here is the first part of that, then there is a plus and another part of that with the plus, so that means that it can it has at least one character. And then here you have some examples of valid surnames and invalid surnames. So you can just copy the pattern. It also has a title, so if the pattern is not met, then it'll just say that. Also, you can run the HTML, but since this doesn't have the submit button, it will not work. So I'm gonna maybe just ask it to. Okay, so it has generated the whole HTML code with like everything, and with the form, with the input, with the submit. So now I'm gonna run it. You can see it opens here. So if I do something invalid, then I can click on submit, and you can see that it doesn't match the requested format. Now if I do something else like that, it'll work. Also, it didn't include the fact that the first letter should be a should be uppercase letters. So I'm gonna also ask it that. Of course, you don't really have to do this, since you can do that with your code afterwards. After getting the surname, you can, if you're using, for example, PHP, you can just use it to fix it so it forces that format that it starts with an uppercase letter, but you can just like do it here, so it'll rewrite it. Let's see if it's correct. Yes, and now it has made it correct. So here's the first letter, then there are additional letters. So now it is correct. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.